Hello everybody, today I'll show you how to make your lighting look very good, like this. The first thing you want to do, go to your ceiling texture, and then you want to set the emission to 1 or 2 intensity, and make sure it's white. And then that should already make it look like this. And then what you want to do next, set whatever is not moving in your project to static. Whatever you don't have it set to static won't be affected by the lights. Okay, so once you set all your map to static, go to window, go to rendering, you want to go to lighting. You want to click lighting, then this is fine. So this will be in my Discord server. The link for my server is down below, and this is just really good lighting settings. You want to scroll down, and then you want to press generate lighting. Then it will do some stuff. It's taking a while. Once you've done that, it should make really nice shadows. So the emission will actually be like a light source now. And hope this helped, and have fun making your game. Bye.